all. How is everyone doing? Good to know that everyone is doing very well at their places. So in today's class we are going to learn how can we form a present tense. आज की क्लास में हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे कि हम लोग प्रेजेंट टेंस कैसे बनाते हैं. How we are going to form a present tense. Verb in the simple present tense have different forms depending upon the subject. अब प्रेजेंट फॉर्म बनाने के लिए वी हैव डिफरेंट रूल्स एंड वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, हमारे सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है, सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. जस्ट कीप इन योर माइंड, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की फॉर्मेशन किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होती है, इट डिपेंड अपॉन आवर सब्जेक्ट. नाउ लुक हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस. We add s or es to the verb if the subject is singular, noun or pronoun. अगर हमारा noun और pronoun singular है तो हमारी verb क्या होगी, plural. Just keep this in your mind. Whenever you have a singular noun or a pronoun, we will add s or es to make them plural. Why? Because it's a grammatical rule. It's a grammatical rule. अगर आपका subject singular है तो verb हमारी plural होगी. So always keep in your mind, whenever your subject is singular, so your verb is in plural form. कौन सी form में होगी आपकी verb, plural form में. Here you can say she plays board games with her her friends. So she is a subject. She क्या है, subject है. Moreover singular है and verb क्या है हमारे पास, play. She play. This will be wrong. Why? Because whenever we have a singular subject, verb is always plural. हमारी verb क्या होगी, हमेशा plural होगी. Next, we use the base form of the verb if the subject is a plural noun or pronoun. Just pay attention here. We use base form. Base form means infinitive form. We are going to use the infinitive form without to of the verb if the subject is a plural noun or a pronoun. अगर आपका subject plural है या plural pronoun आपको given है, so in that case which verb we are going to use? We are going to use the base verb. Base verb मतलब उसमें s और es कुछ भी नहीं होगा. There is nothing added in that. For example, we is a plural pronoun. We is a plural pronoun. So here our verb pray. ये कौन से फॉर्म में है आपकी, बेस फॉर्म में. कौन से फॉर्म में है आपकी ये, बेस फॉर्म. Whenever we have a plural noun or a plural pronoun, we always use base form of the verb. Which form of the verb we always use? We always use base form of the verb. Next we use base form of the verb with I and U. I and U के साथ भी हम कौन सी form use करते हैं, base form. We always use base form of the verb. I play tennis. I यहाँ पे हमारा subject है, play क्या है, हमारी base form है. Okay, base form है. I and U के साथ कौन सी फॉर्म यूज होती है, बेस फॉर्म. With I and U we always use base form. You brush. Again you is a pronoun. With you what we are going to use? We are going to use the base form. So brush is a base form. You have to keep these rules in your mind whenever you are speaking. Like if you are using I, so whatever the verb you are going to use, the verb will come in its base form. कौन सी फॉर्म में आएगी वो, बेस फॉर्म में. I and you के साथ verb हमेशा बेस फॉर्म में आएगी. This you have to keep in your mind. If you are able to keep these rules in your mind, so your spoken part will be completely correct. It will be error free. And like now the question will be in your mind कि मैम ये सारे rules कैसे याद करें. It's not easy for you to learn all of them, but start implementing them. जैसे जैसे आप बोलना शुरू करोगे, you are able to judge by yourself कि आप यहाँ पे गलत थे, क्यों गलत थे. So next time whenever you are speaking that part, you are not going to repeat that mistake. So you have to start speaking. बोलो, जितना बोलोगे उतनी गलतियाँ होंगी, उतना आप सही बोलोगे. Start speaking. Practice makes the man perfect. Next, I hope these rules will help you. If you are following these rules in your spoken part will be completely error free. उसमें कोई भी गलतियां नहीं होंगी. And the rules in your spoken part, once you start using them, these will automatically in your mind. I hope these rules will help you a lot. If you want to access these notes in the written form, you can access these notes from the Pre-Campus app. अगर आपको ये सारे के सारे नोट्स लिखित फॉर्म में पढ़ने हैं दोबारा, तो आप इन सारे के सारे नोट्स को Pre-Campus ऐप से देख सकते हैं.